50 years ago, humanity was still struggling with resource shortages and waste management. But today, it feels as if the word waste has almost disappeared from our vocabulary. The R3 intelligent recycling system has completely transformed our relationship with the material world. We are honored to have with us today the CEO of R3 Technologies, Ms. Ryan Chen. Ryan, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me. It's truly special to look back on R3's journey as we celebrate our 15th anniversary.
Let's start from the beginning. How did the idea of R3 come about?
It goes back to the 2030s. At that time, people were talking endlessly about resource crisis and sustainability. Yet every day we kept producing, consuming, and discarding. The contradiction made me realize humanity was trapped in a create waste loop. Our team wondered, why couldn't abandonment and regeneration become one? Could human production mirror nature's own cycles? So, from the very beginning, R3 wasn't just about recycling. It was about designing technology to imitate nature's self-sustaining logic. Inspired by Donna Haraway's idea of the cyborg, we wanted to blur the boundaries between humans and machines to make technology not just a tool, but a living, co-evolving part of our ecosystem.
That sounds like a kind of artificial ecosystem. How does the R3 system actually work?
Its core lies in algorithmic circular intelligence. You simply feed waste into the system, and it uses molecular recognition algorithms to analyze its structure. Then, through a decomposition reconstruction engine, it converts the waste into raw materials for 3D printing. Users can view, design, share, or donate materials through the R3 app. But the key is, R3 doesn't just recycle matter, it also recycles data. Every act of recycling, printing, or exchanging feeds into the system, allowing the algorithm to learn from user behavior and global resource flows. It predicts and optimizes distribution worldwide. This means our daily habits and even our values co-evolve with the algorithm, a vivid example of the action of algorithmic culture.
R3 has now spread across the world. What do you think is its biggest impact?
I'd say it's the way we'll redefine ownership. In the old consumer society, production, use, and disposal followed a linear logic. R3 turned that into a circular narrative. Disposal no longer makes an end, but a new beginning. Today, humans don't just use technology, we live with it, we evolve with it. The R3 algorithm doesn't just optimize efficiency, it adapts based on user feedback and ecological data. It doesn't just calculate, it perceives. As filmmaker Digger Virtue once said, we cannot remark our eyes, but we can always improve the lens. R3 is that new lens, one that helps us see the hidden cycles and connections in our material world.
And what's next for R3?
We are now developing technology to extend the cycle from matter to energy to create an energy loop. Our vision is to enter an era of algorithm-driven material reversibility where nothing truly becomes waste. I believe that in the near future, the concept of garbage will be a history. Humanity will step into a stage where everything is a resource. It's a smarter, greener, and more beautiful world.
Thank you, Ryan, for sharing this fascinating vision. We look forward to seeing R3's next chapter.
Thank you.